got Chelsea Poo over here. Barely even. Barely even. She just, she being nosy. She being nosy. I'm being nosy. This is so beautiful. Okay, so you actually did it by spraying this. Okay, girl. Oh, you're fine. Jessie looking like grandma painting.
So the way we do that is like this. I take my clean, dry, normal brush, and I use three colors, which are that brown, orange, and yellow. I mix them all together. That one I will use darker color and just fill in 100%. Just because that means doesn't really matter. And it gives the illusion that the wing is in the background. It only goes for these two. But again, help yourself to some Japanese, okay? Fun facts for y'all. My mother was in English in Bangla, and she had her, what's it called, dramatic tour like a few years ago. And I quote went to the tour because my previous was a little too hard for the concert, and I was so proud of it, and the whole participate that I got to leave before the show started.
Dang.
And you know what it was? It was a whole bunch of referees from so long. So it's one of those things up with me, I'll be very careful.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. At night, you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep open hands, I know one of these days we gon' hook it up. Probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this thing from you. I probably shouldn't tell her. If I let you know, you never know. Are you responsible? 'Cause I'm not just saying right. Is it my love? Is it your goal? So don't worry about it. Right now, say yes or say no. Just tell me it's alright. Tell me it's alright.
Oh, it is cute. Okay.
Is this what a bar looks like?
Whatever, I'm driving.
You knocked up your sister. So then beyond.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we have art together, right?
Neat.
So, yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. God. Okay, so in honor of being ready for October, I got me some little fishy poos to get the orange going. So I was gonna get 3 like goldfishes, which if I kill these, then we're just gonna go get 3 goldfishes. But literally, that's why I got goldfishes, because you know they don't cost that much. They are very beautiful, and literally I feel like they are the easiest to keep alive. So I got my 3 goldfishes, and literally I swear they love it here. Like, they know where their food is. That's why they in this corner, and they ain't even been here that long. They've been here since Wednesday. They've been here since Tuesday, I think. Either Monday or Tuesday. Damn, bitch. Oh, I'm sorry. But anyway, they've been here since Monday. Wow, that's crazy. But they've been here since Monday. And literally, they already know where their food is. Look at it. Look at it. But when that filter comes, where your food gonna be next, boo? But it'll probably still be right there. But they already know where their food is. I don't know if they know their names, but they know I talk to them. They hungry. They waiting to be fed. But they love this corner. And I don't know, it's because the couch is here and I be chilling here, and they probably be chilling with me because I be seeing them out the corner of my eye like hello, and they know the food goes up there. But since they've been here, they've been so at peace. Like, you know, at the pet store, they're in a tank with 100 of fish, basically. One of a million type of thing. And like, literally, it's just like the realization of knowing that, like, hey, I see you in passing, hey, I see you in passing, hey, I see you in passing type of stuff. Like, the 2 goldfishes with the orange, they instantly like already were clicked together because, you know, they're the same. But the white one, it took a minute, but eventually I started to see that they really are schooling fishes, and they like to stay together and such and stuff like that. And I just got home from work. It's dark. They're in this corner, and I like freaked them out. And I always freak them out because they just be chilling, and I really think they be in this corner sleep. And I think they were in this corner sleep when I came in and scared the shit out of them because they just go berserk. But at the same time, I do think the white one got zoomies, because the white one be the one who be gravitating to me. You see them over there, they stay clicked through like that. But the white one, oh look at the white one. The white one, it gonna come to me first. Like, it really does like understand like human, but look at the white one. But yes, my fishes love it here. I picked up the food, and the white one shot to the front. Look at them. Look at them. Smart. Already know. Look at you. Yes. Oh, now you want to join in the fun because you want your food. Go ahead. But yes, see? Saw me pick up that food and instantly shot to the front. I don't know what they feeding them, but they love the regular fish food. I can't wait to get them some bloodworms, though. If I would have known this would have worked, I would have did this. But literally, I did this to tap to let the fish know. I hope they do it again. And the white one instantly came to the noise because I've been doing this when I've been talking to them. Hello. Okay. See? Okay. Let me know you paying attention. Aww. I like the side view. Man, I just got another box from Olaplex Glam Squad Club. And literally, I forgot about these samples, but literally a box full of Olaplex bonding oil to give away to clients. We love this for me. Like, look at that. It's like never ending. And like literally, the last PR I got like this for passing out to clients, I kid you not, I still had a lot left. So, baby, I be hopping up Glam Squad like nobody's business. I ain't even gonna lie. Just told a girl today, like, hype them up. I'm like, I ain't worked with them in like a good 7 months, like consistently like I was. I've had a wedding here, blow dry here, there, but literally, I have not done anything, and literally, I'm still getting PR. Like, thank you, God. We are so grateful, and it's not because I don't want to work. It's just nothing's been, you know, client schedule hasn't been coincided with my schedule, but holiday season coming, so yes, we set our books. Hopefully we good. I gotta remember to text another client, but yes. Thank you, all the Plex Glam Squad. Hey, I really hope this is recording, because ever since you're able to record while listening to music, I feel like I can't really be recording like I want to no more. But I got me, damn, how did I forget the name of this? Labubu. I'm so excited because I did want a Labubu. And I got this from my guy. I don't know if you can see the price, but literally paid $14.99 for her. I hope she the color I want it to be. He said it was, but we gonna see. But yes, I wanted a pink one, and I discovered he had them like a week ago, and it was just one in there, and I was just like, I'm gonna wait in case he gets some more. And I'm so happy I did, because I saw this one, and if it's the color that I think it is, oh, it's black. Oh my God, look how cute it is. Oh my God, it is so cute. It is so cute. I am so happy. I'm ready to put some clothes on her. Look how cute. Oh, I'm so happy. Now we just need to get the keychain so we can put her on our bag. Look how cute. She is so perfect for me. It was like my little kitty. Oh, I love it. I love it. So I got this bag right here today. So this is what we're gonna put her on. Right up here, and she already just looks so good. I'm so happy. Oh my God, I can't believe I got a Labubu. Oh my God, and I was so proud of myself because I didn't even open it immediately. It looks so good. Oh my bag, yes. Like, look. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, thank you. I'm so happy. I didn't know I would be so happy for something so small, but it gives me kitty vibes, like my own little kitty. Yes. Okay, I get the hype. Oh, I do got a ring. Yes. See, I'd be grateful for anything. And they already set me up for success. Yes. Bless. And this is a sturdy little thingy too. Oh, I'm so excited. I am not a screamer like that, like most girls be. I'm just gonna be happy. Happy. You gonna get smiles out of me. Okay, bitch. All right. Yes. Hello. You're so attentive. got to like a halfway point of my walking thingy, and these runners were starting to run off, and like the way they was running off, they acting like they wanted to bogart the whole thingy. And I'm like, okay, watch, y'all doing all that bullshit, and we gonna meet up in the middle. And what ended up happening, like, we end up meeting not even in the middle. We end up meeting like me being further than them, because I was closer to my car than their start away point. And I'm just like, you know, see, slow and steady wins the race. So remember that.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. She drive the Nissan and she in a P-Run.